Here's a shocking stat. 70% of iPhone users say they'd upgrade immediately if Apple added one specific feature to the iPhone 16. What is it? Stick with me because today we're diving into the most requested features from fans around the globe. Are you ready for the iPhone 16 wish list? Let's go. Every time Apple releases a new iPhone, the tech world goes wild. But what do fans actually want? With iPhone 16 on the horizon, expectations are through the roof. Today, we're breaking down what fans really want and what Apple might actually deliver. Spoiler, it's not all the same. So here's the deal. Every year, Apple teases us with shiny new features, but there's always this gap between what fans want and what Apple delivers. iPhone 12 gave us a sharp new design, but many fans were hoping for a complete redesign. iPhone 14 was cool, but where were the battery improvements we craved? Apple's vision sometimes doesn't quite line up with what we're begging for. Will iPhone 16 finally be different? Let's break it down. Fans are loud about these top features. First, battery life. I'm talking all-day use without reaching for a charger. Next, camera upgrades. We're talking true night mode, better zoom, and sharper photos even in low light. And customization. Fans want to make their iPhones truly their own. Bigger widgets, custom icons, the ability to tweak everything. Apple, we're waiting. Now here's the biggest one, foldable iPhone. Imagine this. You get the compact convenience of your regular iPhone, but then boom, it folds out into a full-size screen. Fans are losing their minds over this idea. Could iPhone 16 be the one to deliver the foldable dream? It would change everything we know about iPhones. The game-changing feature we never saw coming. From epic battery life to crazy camera upgrades and maybe even a foldable design, the iPhone 16 could be the one fans have been dreaming about. But Apple's got some tough decisions ahead. Will they finally deliver on what we've been asking for? Time will tell. Now it's your turn. What do you want in the iPhone 16? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Will Apple nail it or miss the mark again? And if you want more on leaks, rumors, and tech insights, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on all the latest updates.